stinking thing. Just trying to show you guys how good the nail gun works. Can't even record a video without the phone falling over. It works pretty well. I'm happy with it. Getting her bolted down, folks. Nailed down, not bolted. Be done here in just a few more. Hold it in 2 hands. Come here, hold it in 2 hands. You hold it in 2 hands. Don't touch it. I want you to make sure you can see Daddy and make sure you can see the nail gun.
Daddy, I see Mama Dad.
Okay, can you see me?
Yeah.
Where's the nails, Mare? Where's the nails, Mare?
Daddy, I can't see.
Did you put your finger over? You always put your finger over the lens. Take it. There you go. Now can you see?
Yeah.
Move, buddy. Mom. Never mind, buddy. All right. So there, all the ducking's done, and the kids and the goats really appreciate it. We'll just go through here on the far end now, where we left them all overhang. We'll get the chainsaw and just make a buzz cut all the way down. Actually, probably snap a string line first, just so I make sure I don't cut into the floor joist. But then we'll just buzz them all off, and probably want to do the other thing on this end too. I think there's a couple of them that we hung over on this end just for where knots and stuff, where to line them up. But otherwise, not too much trimming on this end. We'll trim both ends, and the floor's done. I love it.